Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chris with Wolf Creek Outdoors. I'm out here at the RV right now. Didn't go out searching today. Yesterday, while on our search, we kind of busted a hole in the bottom of the boat. And luckily, after doing some YouTube searches, I found out that there is a way to fix the boat. And the best way to fix the plastic kayak boats is what's called plastic welding. You get a bucket. You can go out to, I went out to Harbor Freight. I picked up a heat gun for $16.97. I picked up a 5-gallon bucket with the number 2 on the bottom of it. It's got to have number 2, which is the same material that your kayak is made out of. And basically what you do is you heat up the plastic and you basically weld the plastic into the hole so that you can fix and continue to use your boat. As you can see here, hold on. As you can see here, we have everything laid out. The vape is not an essential aspect of it, but it does help. I've already started a little bit of the weld right there, and I mean, as you can see, it's hard to the touch. I filled in the hole. I'm going to cover all this with plastic, and I've got little chunks of plastic like this that cut off the bucket, and you just heat them up and get them in the hole there. Use a pair of pliers so you don't burn your hands, and there you go. So I'm going to show y'all how we weld the boat, because I tried JB Weld, but it kept breaking off because it was such a thin layer. Every time I need to build a cart. That's my next thing that I'm going to be building here soon, is a cart for the kayak, so I can wheel it up and down from the river or the lake or wherever to back to the vehicle, so I don't have to drag it and don't have this problem again. And as you can see, this side doesn't really have a hole, but I'm going to reinforce it. So give me just a minute and we'll get everything set up and I'll show y'all how it's done. Alright, I was going to jam out to music a little bit. However, I remember that YouTube doesn't like when you jam out to music, so we're just going to redo this again. It's not going to look pretty right now, but it'll work. And that's the main thing, is it's going to be functional. Alright, we're going to let it dry up for a bit. Alright, we're ready to continue with our weld. See how glassy that's getting right there? You want to do this in a very ventilated area. You don't want to be breathing in fumes. That would be very bad. basically, essentially, what you're doing is kind of welding it together, hopefully. But now what I'm going to do is, now that I've gotten that, I'm going to kind of put a bigger patch on there. See how real like glassy it's getting where it's melting. And yes, if you use the writing, people will know you used a bucket. It's okay. It's not pretty right now, but it will be. Possible. Alright, so we're back at it. Sorry, I had to pause my music real quick. This is a good song too. Feel Good by Gorillaz. And as you can see, kind of heating it up real good there. You want to melt it really, 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 really good. Basically, the more that it's melted to where, and then I'm going to come right in here and I'm going to get all this melted up right here. And like I said, right now, it's not going to look the prettiest in the world. And that's okay. Because essentially what you're going to do is, you'll sand it after you're done. And again, once that hardens over, I've already sealed the leak, so pretty much I'm just kind of rebuilding around the kayak, around it, to make sure that it stays stable-ish. Now we're going to get this other side right here. All right, this is the final little step right here. Get it glassed over real good there. All right, so last piece is going on right here. I'm just going to kind of marry it to this right here. Because in essence, all this is going to do is just build up everything and make it tougher, hopefully. I mean, that's the whole idea of it.